guys, welcome back to another Joe Muller exclusive fast food review. Today we're headed to Smashburger in Hicksville and we are trying their brand new Pub Triple Double Burger. Double the beef, triple the cheese on a pretzel bun with truffle mayonnaise. Sounds really good, guys. Stay tuned. Okay guys, we are here, we are parked. I've got my pub burger, brand new from Smashburger, which ran me a total of $4. I got some French fries, which kicked it up to $6.94. And during my next visit, I get a free side. That's so awesome. Alright guys, I got my bag, and I got my napkins. And I have my French fries. Oops! I gotta tell you guys, you would not believe my car. You could probably eat off the floors. It's so clean. There's the French fry. Oh yeah. Smashburger. These are definitely some good fries. Well salted. I really, really like that. And you can tell they're fresh. They've come from actual real potatoes. Okay. These are good, guys. Knock it out of the park with the French fries. Alright. Now, for the main event. The new. Oh, look at this, guys. I didn't even notice this. They put my name on the bag. Joe Mew. Alright, here it is, guys. Double the beef, triple the cheese. I got cheddar cheese. I got the truffle mayo on a pretzel bun. $4, which is not a bad deal, guys. It is a little bit on the small side, but as we know, for $4, what can you expect? Like everybody points out to me. All right, what I want to do is I want to take you guys in for the much-deserved and detailed close-up. Alrighty, and here it is in all of its fine glory. The brand new Triple Double Pub Burger from Smashburger, and I can smell the caramelized onions. I did get it with the truffle mayo. I can see I got some onions on top, a little truffle mayo. I got some grilled onions underneath, and it says wow, that is really, really greasy, guys. Look at that. Am I going to be able to get this off the bag? All right, hold on. Wow, I got some residual cheese on the bottom. Let me see if I can pull this apart. I really can't, guys. I think we'll have to. We're just going to have to go in and give it a shot. Look at that. That does look good. But I think these onions are a little bit well done here. Let me just try a little of those. Or is that the burger? Yeah, that's definitely the burger, guys. And there's a better shot of the burger. There it is. Alright, I am dying to try this, guys. Let's give it a shot. Okay, guys, this is like drippity drip. It's dripping wet. Here it is. Here's your thumbnail. Alright. Without any further ado, I am going to make the supreme sacrifice and try this burger just for you. All right, here we go. First bite. Wish me luck. Salute. It is beefy. It is juicy. Truffle mayo. Very, very strong player. Wow. Oh, yeah. This burger is absolutely fantastic, guys. I am absolutely floored. The beef, it's very, very juicy. Cheddar cheese, nice component, coupled with the truffle mayo, which is a very, very dominant player. And the onions are nice and sweet and soft. Oh yeah. This is really great, guys. Really, really great. But it's very greasy. So, you will definitely need more than 2 napkins for this, guys. Anyway, on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the very best, who wants to guess what I'm giving it? The Pub Triple Double Burger from Smashburger, I'm giving a rock solid, go ahead, 10 plus knock it out of the park hit. It is a smashing hit. If you guys are lucky enough to live near a Smashburger, please go out and try this. You guys got the green light. Go out and try it. I promise, if you are a burger lover, you love beef, you love cheese, try the truffle mayo. It's really, really good. It's very strong though. You're gonna taste the truffles, which is pretty much what I wanted. 10 plus, knock it out of the park hit. Well, that was my review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna finish this. You guys take care. So long. Excuse me. And I love picking off residual cheese. Oh yeah, guys.